we'll guide you through how to transfer Figma designs to Wix, making it easy to bring your creative ideas to life on your website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Figma project that you want to transfer. Make sure all your design elements are organized properly, as this will make the transfer process smoother. Next, you need to export your design elements. In Figma, select the components you want to transfer, then click on the Export button usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Choose your preferred format like PNG, SVG, or JPG, depending on what works best for your project. Now, head over to your Wix account and open the editor for the site you want to update. Once in the Wix editor, you'll want to go to the Add panel on the left side of the screen. Here, you can upload the images and design elements you've exported from Figma. Click on My Uploads, then Upload Media, and select the files from your computer. After uploading, you can now drag and drop these elements onto your page, arranging them as they were in your Figma design. A key point is to make sure the design proportions are maintained, so use Wix's built-in alignment tools to help keep everything looking sharp. If your design includes text or interactive components, you will need to recreate these in Wix by adding text boxes and linking buttons as necessary. Wix provides a variety of widgets and features to help you replicate any interactive elements from your Figma design. Finally, preview your page to ensure everything looks just right before publishing. This process allows you to effortlessly bring your Figma designs to life on your Wix website, maintaining a cohesive look and feel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.